Yeah, hello friends. So welcome to our channel. So today we'll be going to have a look at how to do an option strategy based on the current week, means like coming week Nifty's technical analysis. Okay, so we're going to do an technical analysis for the second July's week expiry, and we'll be going to do an option strategy for this current week. Okay, so there is a disclaimer that this is only for an educational purpose. So please do your own analysis before taking any real trade by using. So this is an educational content. Okay, so first let's have an analysis of a open interest. So here you can see, so I'll be choosing the Nifty, and so let's so here you can see that Nifty, and we need to choose the current week expiry. Okay, so which is on coming week expiry, which is on 2nd July. Okay, so I have choose the 2nd July, and after that you can see that the spot price of Nifty is at 10,288, and its put call ratio is 0.96, which is denoting that it is slightly neutral. Okay, and also it telling us that the max pain of the current week expiry is at the level of 10,300. Okay, so it might change in the futures as well. Okay, so after that we can have a look at the open interest. So here you can see, so this is the this put option strike price is having the more number of open interest. Okay, so which is at the level of 10,000. So here you can see 10,000 is having the more number of put options, and its put call ratio is at the level of 6, so which might act as an immediate support for the current week. And if you look at the call options, so here you can see that the 10,500 is having the more number of call options writing. So we can take the 10,000 as a support and 10,500 as an resistance for this current week. Okay, so and if you look at the 1 day candles of the Nifty, so here you can see that, so by drawing the trend line, so here you can see at the time, at the date of 2nd July, so you can see that, so 9,972 will act as a support. So okay, so which means that this level, the Nifty will close above this level. Even like for the last week we have mentioned that 9,800 will act as a support for the 25th June, and you can see that so we have drawn this trend line even before making this Nifty making the low of this candle. Okay, so after that even you can see it made the low till our trend line, and it moved, and also it moved at the level of 10,288, and we made a support. We mentioned that the support is at the level of 9,800 for the 25th June. Okay, so that happens, that level has been supported. So for this week we'll be taking the support of 9,972. Okay, so based on this support level we are going to do an option strategy. Okay, so I'll be going to an option strategy builder, and I'll be choosing the options, and also we'll be choosing the 2nd July. Okay, so now you can see that the spot price is at the level of 10,388. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy one slightly out the money call options, which is at the 10,400, which is trading at the price of 84. So I'm going to buy one lot, and after that I'm going to sell 10,600 call option for 3 lots. Okay, so I'm going to sell 1,600 3 lots, and I'll be going to buy 2 more lots of 10,700, as we are having 2 call option sell, so we need to hedge our positions on the upsides. Okay, so now after doing this, so this is the payoff graph. You can see that, so we'll be having the maximum loss of 1,500 and the profit of 13,000 if the Nifty tends to close anywhere between the level of 10,421 and 10,689. But we have seen that the support is at the level of 9,900, and right now the market is at 10,300. For this strategy we need to have a movement of around 130 140 points to enter into one profit. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to add some more put options. Okay, so we'll be going to buy one lot of 10,200. Okay, So after that, what we are going to do is we are going to sell 3 lots of 10,000 put options. Okay, so this is an ratio spread. So we are combining two strategies. So after that, you can see this is the payoff graph. Okay, and we are getting the maximum profit of 19,000, and also you can see that the downside break even is downside break even have been shifted to 9,870 from the level of 10,400. Okay, so as per our technical analysis, so Nifty is having the support around the level of 9,970, and here we are having 10 more points as the cushion for our break even, which is at the level of 9,870. Okay, so even if some glitches happen, and if the Nifty tends to move below the trend lines, also we are having the 100 levels as a cushions. So even if the price goes below the 9970, will be in the loss, will be in the profit only. Okay, so here you can see that, so wherever the market hits on the upside, we'll be getting the 4,612 as a credit. So we'll be in the profit wherever the market goes, and we'll be in the profit of 19,000 as 538 if the market is at the level of 10,000 or at the level of 10,600. Okay, so which is the level which we have sold the options. Okay, so this is the level we have sold our call option 10,600, and we have sold the put option at the level of 10,000, right? So if the market expires at the level of 10,000 or 10,600, then we'll be getting the max profit of 19,538. And if the market moves somewhere else rather than coming below our support level, then we'll be in the profit of at the profit of 4,600. Okay, so this is one of the option strategies. So if you see that market is closing anywhere below this 9,900 level, either you can close your trade and come with whatever the loss you have, or else, like I have posted one more video, so I'll be adding that in the end of this video, and also I'll be posting that video in the description. So where I have posted how to hedge how to do the adjustment for your necked put options. Okay, so here we have only two put options as a necked options, so only that two put options will be going to make a trouble for our position if it tends to move below this level. Okay, so even if you are not willing to close the this strategy with the loss, then you can look at that video, so how to do the adjustment for this put option. So after that, you can close all these options which is hedged properly, and we'll be having two put options as a naked one. So you can do the adjustments using that particular strategy, and you can also come out without any loss even if the Nifty moves below this support level. Okay, so this is an strategy, friends. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon, so that you will be getting the notification whenever we upload any new videos. And also likes and do the comments, and also share to your friends, so that it will encourage us to do more videos on this option strategies. Okay, so thanks for watching.